Hello Doraemons, welcome back. So for this video we are going to solve the Unix question live. I've got a lot of response from you people for solving the Python question live, and we are going to do the same for Unix today. So Unix is very easy, and if you have been following my videos, it is really easy to solve these type of questions. It may seem like hard, but it's really very easy. So now looking into this question, what we are going to do is, first off, I'll show you how I read a question, and I'll show you how to minimize your time in understanding the question and solving it. So first off, just ignore this part of showing the data and all. Directly go to the place where the question is written, right here. So what they've given here is, write a command to display the player ID, player name, and here of debutant. For the RCB players, your field should be extracted from the debutant date. So what they have told us, we have to print the player ID, which is 1234, and player name, which is the second column, and year of debuted. So we have to get year from this date, which is in this format, and which is of RCB. So we have to just print these for the RCB players. If there is no RCB players, then we are going to print like no data found, like this. So it's a very simple question. As you have seen, which part you may find difficult is this part, where they have said you have to extract the date from the year. But it is a piece of cake when you know about the tr command. So most of you guys who have been following my videos know about this tr command. So this tr command is used to change your field separator from one symbol to another symbol. So that's what we are going to do first. For here, this question, let's first, what we can do is, we are going to put the tr command first, because as you can see, the field separator between the fields is a hyphen, and here they are given it as slash. So first, if we change this field separator to dash, then these can also be considered as separate columns, and we can easily fetch the years. So let's first do that. Now I'm going to change the slash to an hyphen. So I'm just going to copy paste this input, and I'm going to just run it. Let's see what we are getting. As you can see here, this slash are getting replaced by these hyphens. So now we can directly call these 1234 as $1, and these names as $2, and the team names as $3, and this date on 21, 28, 22, 15, this as $4, and the months as $5, and the year as $6. So if now what we have to print is the player ID and the player name and the year of debuts. So we have to print $1, $2, and $6. And we also have to check whether it is RCB or not. And after that, we are going to print the player ID, player name, and the debutant's date. So first off, we are going to start with eliminating this first row, which is the column names. So let's do that. And for this, we are going to again use the awk command, but as we have one condition over here to fetch only the RCB players, we can use our favorite grep command. So the grep of -i, and we are going to fetch only RCB. And after this, watch the magic. Now moving on to the output. Oh, there is, yeah, make sure you leave a gap. Yes, now you can see the first row is also ignored, and all other rows which don't have RCB or which are not RCB players are also got ignored. So now we are going to just print these three values. Let's do that. So here I'm just going to use again the awk command. Actually, for printing, and awk starts with awk, and then we'll put a single colon inside it. We'll put begin, leave a space, and then output fs. You guys know what is fs is? It is the field separator which is already used. And in this part, this is the looping part, second part, and this we are just going to print $1 and $2 and $6. So now let's run and see it. Moving on. Yes, so we almost got everything. Now we are going to do like the exceptional case. Here, display the output field separates by a space. So this is the exact output. And if there is no RCB players, print a message, no data found. So here we are going to declare one small variable like count, and in the end part, like if here it prints something, we are going to increment this C value, which means there is at least one value which has the RCB player. If not, in the end part, as you guys know about this end part, it is used to print any output in the end place. And end, we are going to check if C is equal to 0. If it didn't print any value, it would be remaining 0. In that case, we are going to just print no data found. That's it. No data found. Now I'm just going to run it. As we already have the RCB players, it is like reflecting the same over here. Now I'm going to change this RCB to RCY so that it will not consider RCB. Okay. Now I'm just going to run it. See, we got no data found. And this method can also be used if you are asked to print the count. So in some questions they may ask like print the count of the number of RCB players. Like that, in case you can just print the C, and the same condition will apply except for this. We should not print it here. So like this, you can handle with any question you get. So these is the easiest 2 to 3 comments which you want to learn in order to solve the IRA questions. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if yes, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next updates. And that's it for this video guys. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is your very own Doraemon signing off. Keep learning, keep rocking. Bye and cheers.